Now we are discussing about determination of Young's modulus. Determination of Young's modulus. Here, which material Young's modulus if you want to find, by using that material, two identical wires we are constructing having same length and same thickness. That means diameter. Anywhere if you take, that is like a cylinder. So area of cross section is circle. If length is L, now what is the volume? A into L. Pi r square H, like that. Pi r square means A, H means L. So for any cylinder like that, generally cylindrical shape. Any wire like that, cylindrical shape. So these two metallic wires A and B suspend from the rigid support. So this is the rigid support. Here one is reference wire and another is experimental wire. At the bottom of the reference wire and experimental wire, we are attaching some pans. In the pans, we are introducing weights. Initially, P and Q. In the P and Q pans, equal amount of weights introducing. At that time, stiffness comes to this. Okay, at that time, generally what happens? Reference wire is connected to main scale and experimental wire is connected to vernier scale. So in the vernier scale, what happens generally? So this is the shape of the vernier scale. This is the shape of the vernier scale. In this is the main scale. This is the shape. This is the main scale. That is in a millimeters, centimeters, like that. In the vernier scale, only divisions. So this is the vernier scale and this is the main scale. So generally what happens? For example, here 1. And here what came here? 1.1. Here 1.2 came, I am assuming. So here what is in this diagram? What is the main scale reading? MSR. MSR means main scale reading. Main scale reading. So this vernier scale is one strip. Just it moves on the scale, main scale. So on the strip, on the vernier scale, only divisions, 10 divisions are existing. So here this is 0, first division where it is coinciding. First division means that things later. First this strip where stopping at 1.1, 1.2 one stopped. So in this case, what is the main scale reading? 1.2 mil. What is this? Here 10 millimeters. You take centimeters. 1.2 centimeters. So that is the main scale reading. After here, main scale divisions. Number of divisions are there. Main scale means that is only scale only, general scale. Vernier scale only 10 divisions. In these 10 divisions, which division perfectly coincides with the main scale? For example, this is main scale. Here to here some divisions. For example, here to here 10. Here to here again what? Like this. Here 1. Here 2 there. Here like this number of this is millimeters. For example, here vernier scale also some divisions. 10 divisions. So in this, for example, I am assuming 8th division perfectly coinciding compared to all divisions. 8th division and this forming one stage line. That is called coincidence. So that is 8th is the coinciding division. So that is called what? VSR, vernier scale reading. VSR means vernier scale reading. So for in this diagram, what I have taken 8th 0, 1, 2, 3. 8th division perfectly coinciding because this 8th division on the main scale, millimeters scale is there. This division perfectly coinciding. So that you take 8. Now, what is the formula for reading? Reading equal to MSR plus VSR into LC. VSR or vernier coinciding division. Sometimes VCD rating. VCD means vernier coinciding division. So in this case, vernier scale is main scale is 1.2, here plus 8. Generally, what is the least count? 0.1. What is the least count of vernier scale? 0.1. So in that way we are calculating. That is the reading. So in that way, first initial reading we are recording. So that we are taking as L1. This main scale is connected to reference wire. Experimental wire is connected to this vernier. So in this way, first reading we are finding. So what is the first reading here? The first reading is L1. Initial reading is L1. Initial reading is L1. When L1? Here and here equal weights when we had introduced. What is the MSR and what is the VSR? MSR plus VSR into LC when we are done L1K. Next time we are going to change. For example, here 100 grams weight reducing. Here 300 grams introducing. What is the variation compared to here and here? 200 grams. So corresponding 200 grams elongation I want to find. So here 100 grams, here 300 grams. Definitely here more weight. So compared to this, definitely more elongation. Because compared to this, both are made by same material and same thickness. So definitely more weight is more elongation. So definitely it comes to down. So vernier scale definitely changes. So corresponding final reading you find. Final reading belongs to vernier. It means again MSR plus VSR into LC. So that is final reading. So what is the final reading? The final reading I am taking as L2. Definitely do more. So L2 minus L1 is called elongation. L1 is initial reading. L2 is final reading. So now what is the elongation? So elongation equal to, that is small l, that you take as L2 minus L1. That belongs to which? Here 100 grams I had introduced. Here 300 grams introduced. 300 minus 100 what? 200. So for 200 grams, what is the elongation? L2 minus L1. That is the concept. So in the Q pan how much weight and P pan how much weight. The difference is what? Corresponding elongation is L2 minus L1. So in that way we are finding elongation. So after that you take one graph along x-axis and along y-axis. You take some physical quantities. Here x-axis and here y-axis. And this is the origin. So here what we are taking? Along x-axis extension taking and load L. So here extension means here we are taking L. L means what? Elongation. This is elongation. And here weight. Weight means what? mg weight. Load. Load means mg weight. Along y-axis. At that time we are getting one straight line. First here I am taking 100. Here I am taking 300. First L1 reading came. When I am keeping here 300, what we are getting? L2 getting. L2 minus L1 is elongation. Belongs to variation. 200 minus 100. Remember that. Again, for example, here 100, here 300. Next I am going to 500. So here 500, here 100. What is the variation? 500 minus 100, 400. At that time, what is the reading? L3. L3 minus L1 gives what? L3 minus L1 belongs to elongation. Or corresponding which weight? Difference weight. Here 100, here 500. 500 minus 100 what? 400. That 400 belongs to elongation what? L3 minus L1. Like that we are finding. So we are drawing one graph. After that we are finding slope. How we are taking from in this line anywhere you take. Here or here anywhere. You draw a normal. You take this is O and this is A and this is B. Now I am finding slope. What is the formula for slope? Tan theta. Tan theta equal to AB by OB. AB by OB. So what is the AB? Corresponding load. mg weight. So mg weight. Corresponding this value. What is the value? That mg. By small l. By small l. Here all L only. But for particular L, particular mg that I am taking. Here also you take, anywhere you take, slope we are getting constant. That is important. So slope that equal mg by L. mg by L value directly we are measuring from the slope. That is the importance. mg by L is slope. I am finding slope value that is simply equal to mg by L total value. So mg by L value I had found. That is the slope. Again, what is the formula for Young's modulus? Now, what is the formula for Young's modulus that you take? What is the Young's modulus? That formula. What is the formula for Young's modulus? Formula for Young's modulus. Young's modulus equals to Young's modulus that is denoted with y that equal to F by A by L by capital L. L is the elongation and capital is the initial length. So you write this again as F by A into capital L by small l. So what is the F again? mg. This I am writing as mg by A into capital L by small l. So this is equal to y. So y equals what I am writing? mg by L into L by capital A. What is the capital A? If you take any metallic wire that is like a cylinder. So this is the area of cross section. Here R is the radius. So what is the area of cross section? That is pi r square. So what is the A? Pi r square. Okay. Now MGYL value directly we are finding from the graph. Length of the wire we are measuring by using scale because both initial length same only. And R is the radius. Radius how finding? Wire means very small thickness. For that you use a screw gauge. By using screw gauge, first we are finding diameter. Take three observations belongs to diameter by keeping at various positions. After you find average diameter, after you find radius. R equal to D by D because area of cross section is circle. Thickness is diameter. R equal to D by 2. First finding D. D means what? D is the thickness. D is the thickness. So D by 2 gives what? R. So I had found R value and L value, mg by L value directly find from the graph, and substituting all values we are getting Y. What is the capital Y? Young's modulus of a given metal. This Y is made by some metal. That Y goes to metal only. So in this way we are finding the Young's modulus. This is the experiment to find the Young's modulus.